4 days ago, actually 5 days ago, we had a major storm come through. We finally got it all cleaned up. Okay. Oh, sorry, Maggie. To do my dog privacy. Finally got it all cleaned up. And now I just checked the weather, and I kind of heard rumblings, but I went and checked the weather. We're in for another major snowstorm. Up to 50 centimeters of snow. So right now, it's February the 3rd, and it's +4 out here. It's crazy. And like so much snow had melted today. If you're a person using a wheelchair, this is like paradise in February. I mean, I was out doing errands, and there's like no snow on the sidewalks, no snow or ice in the parking lots. It was easy, in and out. All right, so I'm going to log this storm for you, so stick around and get ready. Here we go again, guys. Look, it's 10:40 p.m. Obviously, it's dark out, and the snow is falling. No wind, so it's very calm. Very calm out. Not compared to the other storm we had back in last weekend, where it was windy, high winds, freezing temps. But this here is just a very nice light snow. Coming down really well. Look. Well, like I said, they're calling for 40 to 50 centimeters of snow. I'm going to bed now, so we'll see what we get when I wake up. Good night, all. Oh, Maggie wants to say goodnight. Hey, Maggie, I knew you wouldn't be too far behind me. Night, all. Good morning. You got a little bit of snow that came down. Oh, man. It's cool out, but not as cool as last storm. A bit of a wind. Here we go again. We gotta clear the driveway out all over again. It is 7:30 in the morning on Friday, February the 4th. Major winter storm coming through, up to 50 centimeters of snow. I think I said that once or twice already. It's going to be fun. All right, I'm going to go grab a coffee, some breakfast, and then I got to get to work. Yep, I got to work my day job. I'll check back in a couple hours. Okay. So it's about 4 p.m. Storm's not over. It's supposed to snow all night. Another 10 to 15 centimeters. But I'm going to go and I'm going to shovel it out. Shovel my driveway out a little bit to move them when he comes. So yeah, it's a lot of work. Just did this like 5 days ago. Just another day in ParaLife. I just shoveled out here to the back walk and just shoveled it away from the house so he can get his plow in to back drag it and then push it or blow it wherever he needs to. But geez, a lot of snow came down, and there's still more to come too. So this is round one, shoveling that stuff out. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go inside, work out. See you in a bit. Well, there you go. That was the snowplow going by. And I ended up digging out way more than I should have, because I figured might as well do it now instead of later. And I needed to start the Santa Fe, and again, the Santa Fe battery is dead. So throw the charger on it. So I dug all the way out and around. Come on, Danny! Come on, Danny! And there he's plowing out a spot for the dogs, so they can have a place to go and do their business. Yeah, nice. of storms within 6 days. Wow. These were our first two. And you know really what? You know what? January the 30th, or sorry, January the 29th, or 28th, 27th is when we had our first storm. And then now we're February the 3rd, February the 4th. So, you know, so far this winter, it's been good. 2 big storms. And yesterday, you seen earlier in the video, I was out in the sweater. So mild out. We're all done. Look at that, nice and clean. Here we are, round 2. This is the same storm. It's been going on since February the 3rd. We're now February the 5th at 8 a.m. Saturday morning, and it's still coming down. We had this driveway completely cleared out last night, and I have to get them back, do some more shoveling. Whew. All right, well, that's all the footage I'm going to take of this storm. So I'm going to get back and shovel everything back out again, and yep, another snow day. Just another day in ParaLife.